y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just doing like a real quick tutorial on eyelashes, how to apply eyelashes. It's not really long. My makeup, if you like this look, I've already done a video on that, so go to my channel and see the pink eye tutorial that I did, which was requested. So just came to show y'all how to do these lashes with the same look on my face, because I feel like this pink look cute and she need a little extra, and so this is our extra. If you like this look, hey, watch the video. It was good seeing y'all. I hope y'all have a good week. I hope y'all have a blessed week. I hope that y'all babies have an amazing start of the school year, even with all this crazy going on in the world. And I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this video, so y'all just pause and I'll see y'all in a minute. To move on, and we're going to do our eyelashes. Oh my goodness, because y'all know I'm not the best at this stuff here, so this is like a work in progress for me, honey. I went and got some little cheap lashes from where I got this from? My local beauty supply store. Y'all know I be up in that thing. Them people get my money all the time. If everything, if I like the lady that work in, the black lady, Jessica, Miss Jessica, because if I ain't like her, I wouldn't be in there. But I'm just saying, that's between us though. Don't, yeah, okay, whatever. So anyways, I went and bought these lashes. Look, I'm trying to, like, I messed with them the other day, but they're by Kiss, and you got like what, a pack of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5. I already took a pair off and was like playing with them to see what's what. I did not get any eyelash glue, but I do have like, don't talk about me. Please don't talk about it. These are my eyes. I can do what I want to do with my own eyes. You do what you do for yours. Okay, so I got the little hair glue that I'm gonna put on here, and we're going to attempt to apply lashes today. Yay! So okay, yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and do this thing. I don't know how this gonna work, y'all. I done seen so many other people do videos. They put this stuff on effortlessly, and it's just like flawless, and they had their lashes. I don't think, for me, I wouldn't wear lashes every day. I feel like these lashes are for like, if I'm going out, you know what I'm saying, like something fancy or whatever, I want to dress my look up, I'll put some lashes on. But other than that, I like just my natural lashes. And it could be too, because I'm not the best at it. That might be. Maybe once I get, you know, a little better at it, I'll probably be like, child, yeah, let me throw some lashes on real quick while I go run up here to the grocery store, whatever. But I do like natural looking lashes. I don't like the ones where it look like you got a daggone butterfly on your eyes. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know which ones I'm talking about. And if that's what you like, that's what you like. That's me. This is me. Okay, this is what I like. What you like is what you like. What I like is what I like. Ain't nothing wrong with it, sis. And I'm not knocking you. No hate here. It's all love on this channel. And if it's not, you will be deleted. Okay, how about that? So anyways, they come with this little tweezers here. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna use them or not. But just taking them off. I don't know if you can see. Just trying to take it off. I don't know if I should use that, or just use my hand. Just use my hand, take it off, y'all. That's all I know. I don't know anything else. And then I'm going to open this, and I'm going to apply some. If it'll come out, like, I'm scared. Look, I'm scared to put a lot on now. And these are my lashes, so guess what? In my eyes, so if they take them off, and god dang it, they mine, ain't yours. Some put no comment down below, tripping. Do what I do. Okay, so it's like you're supposed to blow on it, like, to get it tacky for a few seconds or whatever before trying to apply it to your eyes. I hope I mess up my look, honey, because I look cute right now. We finna see. How y'all doing? Y'all gotta go see my other video. The one I did with these eyes that I got on now. Oh, this feels a little tacky. Hold on, I need to make sure I got enough on here. Don't rush me. Don't rush me. Okay. talk about me either. We gonna be successful putting these lashes on, y'all. We gonna kick it up a notch. That's what we gonna do. My son told me to tell y'all, hey, he running around this house right now. He told me he was gonna make some sausages. Mind you, he just had a sandwich like in his hand when he came in here. Just greedy. Baby always want something to eat. Talking about they be hungry. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply. I'm gonna use my handy dandy mirror. You see her? Y'all know her name Pink. I know, right? So original. Alright, so I'm gonna look down in the mirror and attempt to apply the lash to my lash. Ain't that funny? Like, see, guys. Let's see. Did it right or not. I gotta mash it together so that they blend in. No, I don't know what I'm doing. Y'all, did I just successfully get that lash on now? I feel like it. It looked like it. Yeah, I don't know, sweetie. That's what it feels like. Then I'm supposed to like put mascara on to, I guess, like blend it together, make it look like it's one. So let's hope the lash don't fall off while I'm doing that. Be doing something. See, I like this natural look because you can't even really I mean, you can tell, but you can't tell. I feel like this right here, I don't know, because my eyes are like watery right there. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? Y'all gotta leave a comment below. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Look, hold on, I'm finna get the other one now. This other one up here, I'm just gonna peel it off with my finger. If I can grab it. Dang, I'm scared. Don't ask me why. I'm just nervous. It's just an uncharted territory. Chartered territory. Y'all know what I'm saying. I ain't done this before. Bam! No, I did not just successfully put some lashes on my daggone eyes. What? Y'all can't tell me nothing now. Honey. It might not be the best, but you know, I think I did rather well. For my first time to be messing with some lashes. I ain't never put them on because I could never get it. It's like, that's it. That's pretty simple. If that's how you do it. If I did this correctly, y'all need to let me know. Y'all who do the lashes and who know how to do lashes. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be like, yes, single mom slay. Tiffany, you did that. You slayed the look. Slayed the lashes. You know what I'm saying? That was the ad. So now y'all know it's really easy. Like, this is something that really like bothered me. It stressed me out because it's like I don't know how to do that. But I don't know if I can do it on somebody else. But just did it on myself. And I think I look cute. See, look how bad. Let me not do that for one of them come off. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is a quick video. Because we hadn't already did the makeup look and everything. Like I said, you like this look, y'all. Let me show. If y'all like this look, then of course, you know, go to my other video. I'll try to link it somewhere up here somewhere. Don't ask me because everybody be like doing here and doing there. I don't know. Wherever it go, you'll see it. It's gonna pop up on the screen, and then hopefully you should be able to click on it, and then you can go see how I got this look if you want to achieve it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just came over here like a real quick video to do the lashes, and we did that. Yep. What they say, bodied it. We bodied that. When they like did, okay, yeah, you know what I'm saying. Anywho, so that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys like this look. I hope this little quick tutorial on lashes. And then, like I say, when you first starting out with makeup, do not spend a lot of money on stuff because you don't know if you're gonna like it. Like if I had to spend 10 however many dollars, $5-10 for a pair of lashes, and I was unsuccessful in putting them on my daggone eyes, you know how mad I would be if I had a wasted money. Get your little cheap kind and then work your way up and just go like that. So that's what we gonna do. That's what we ain't no gonna do. That's what we did, and I like it, and I hope y'all like it, and I hope y'all enjoyed this conversation. I hope y'all enjoyed this little short video. I hope it was useful to you guys in some way, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.